In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Xero key in just about 5 minutes. Navigating the Xero platform might seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're not familiar with where to look for specific information. However, finding your Xero key is a straightforward process once you know exactly where to look. So let's dive right in and get started. Begin by heading over to the Xero website. Once you're there, you'll notice various options and features readily available to explore. However, for the task at hand, focus on the top right corner of the page where you should find the Login button. Clicking on this will take you to the next step of the process. After clicking on Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is a standard procedure requiring your email and password. Make sure to input the correct details to avoid any unnecessary hiccups that could delay finding your Xero key. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually a link to reset it. Once your details are correctly entered, go ahead and click on Login to access your Xero dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is essentially your command center in Xero, where you can navigate to various parts of your account. Look for the option labeled Your Organization. This might be located differently depending on any customizations or updates to the platform, so keep an eye out for it. After finding and clicking on Your Organization, your next step is to head into the settings. You might think of settings as the backstage of your organization's profile, where all the critical and technical details are stored. It's here you can manage a wide spectrum of options, but for now we'll keep our focus on finding your Xero key. Within settings, look for the option labeled 0 to 0. This might sound a bit cryptic, but it's simply a feature that allows you to connect and transact with other Xero users seamlessly. It's here where your Xero key is nested. The 0 to 0 feature can open up many pathways for efficient collaboration between your organization and others using Xero. Once you've clicked on 0 to 0, you'll be presented with your unique Xero key. This key is essentially a form of identification that other users will need to connect their Xero account with yours. Think of it as a digital handshake, allowing for smooth and secure transactions and communications. To access your key easily in the future, click on Copy. This action copies the key to your clipboard, making it simple to paste anywhere required without having to memorize or write it down. And that's it. You've successfully located your Xero key. Now, knowing how to find this key can save you time and make your collaborations much more efficient. Whether you're connecting with your accountant, a supplier, or a partner organization, your Xero key is what helps streamline these connections. Remember, handling any sensitive information, including your Xero key, should be done with care. Only share it with trusted parties who require access for legitimate business purposes. The beauty of Xero is its dedication to making financial collaboration as seamless as possible while ensuring your data remains secure. I hope this guide has made finding your Xero key a breeze. Remember, the key to navigating software effectively lies in understanding the layout and knowing where to find what you need. If you ever find yourself lost within Xero, don't hesitate to use the search feature or reach out to their support team for guidance. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more straightforward guides and tips. Here's to making the most out of your Xero experience.